with me that end up 100% of providing the most actual news updates. The first news comes from MotoGP, the annual highest motorcycle event in the world. MotoGP has officially started with winter testing in the island of Lombok. This year's winter testing being held on Friday 11th in the Mandalika International Circuit. The circuit is a new project that the Indonesian government has been working on since 2019, but currently the circuit has only reached 70% progress at the moment of testing. 11th February Friday, unfortunately due to bad weather and ongoing construction, testing has been temporarily suspended because riders has found the presence of dirt all around the circuit. The heavy rain that happened on Thursday might has brought dirt and mud from massive developments such as spectator stand and sporting buildings to the track. In February 12th, Carlos Espelata, the chief sporting officer of Dorna Motorsport, has informed the vice president of MTBA, Cahyadi Wanda, not to worry about the situation. But that's it from me. Thanks for watching.